friends, welcome back again. Today we are going to learn spice names vocabulary. So here we start. Turmeric. Turmeric means haldi. Coriander. Coriander means dhania. Clove. Clove means long. Black pepper. Black pepper means kali mirch. Red chili. Red chili means lal mirch. Cumin. Cumin means zira. Cinnamon. Cinnamon means darchini. Cardamom. Cardamom means elaichi. Bay leaf. Bay leaf means tezpat. Nutmeg. Nutmeg means javitri. Mustard seeds. Mustard seeds means rai. Fenugreek. Fenugreek means methi. Fennel. Fennel means salt. Caraway seeds. Caraway seeds means ajwain. Saffron. Saffron means saffron. Poppy seeds. Poppy seed means kashkash. Ginger powder. Ginger powder means salt. Garlic powder. Garlic powder means lasan ka powder. Star anise. Star anise means badban. Black cardamom, bari elaichi. White pepper. White pepper means safed mirch. Tamarind. Tamarind means emily. Mango powder. Mango powder means amchur. Basil. Basil means tulsi. Curry leaves. Curry leaves means curry patta. Mint. Mint means pudina. Salt. Salt means namak. Flax chili. Flax chili means dala mirch. Nigella seeds. Nigella seeds means kalonji. Pomegranate seeds. Pomegranate fruit means anardana.